Hello everybody, I am Leoranne, store manager from Permanent Makeup Supplies. Today I am here to show you how to shop online. Now I know a few of you have been having some difficulties, but I am here to alleviate and mitigate and eliminate that problem for you. I'll be taking you through it step by step from beginning to end. Also bear in mind that should you make an immediate payment via EFT, you will receive your package within 24 to 48 hours on average. See you soon. So first things first, you would obviously have an option to shop by category by simply selecting filter. This then gives you the opportunity to decide exactly what it is you would like to then shop for. Today, we'll use pigments as an example. I'll click on pigments. And for today, we're going to order the fabulous Permablend Brow Daddy set. You then select on the particular item that it is you're looking for. And voila, it takes you to the next page. As you scroll down, it will then give you an opportunity to add to cart. So depending on the amount or the quantity you're looking at buying, this would then be your option to either increase or the minus would be to decrease. For today, we're simply ordering one Brow Daddy set and let's add this to our cart. Once it's been added to our cart, you'll be able to see this in the top right hand corner in our little shopping bag. You can then click on your shopping bag and it will show you that your Brow Daddy set has been added. You then may proceed to check out, and on our next page you are then able to complete out your billing details. You have to please include your name as well as your surname. The company name is optional, with the address that we will be delivering at or your residential, and it then gives you an option to ship at a different address should you not be at your regular place of stay. If there's anything additional you would like for us to know, or if there's any information, special information you'd like to give us, please just include it right there in order notes. And as you scroll further down, it gives you an option to either ship or to collect your order. You then go down and it will give you all of the EFT options and you select place your order. Once you are then at your next page, it will then give you our banking details with the account number and our branch code. There you're able to see the order that you have placed. Your shipping fee is included as well, and it will give you a total as well. You should then receive an email notification with your order number. Once we have then obviously received your payment in our bank account, we will immediately dispatch, followed by an email with your Weibo tracking number from Courier Guide. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. If you do have any questions, you are more than welcome to please contact me on info@permanentmakeup.co.za. Alternatively, please send me a WhatsApp on 0741 070419. Happy shopping!